All right, so I got the 13-inch Ryobi electric lawnmower. It is corded. I was looking through like the FAQs. It's a couple of the questions. One was like, how long is the cord? Power cord's super short. That comes with the lawnmower, so you're gonna need an electrical cord for sure if you wanna mow your lawn. I've had this lawnmower though for like a year. I'm in Arizona, so we have like a little bit of grass, so it works perfectly. I've let my backyard get kind of out of control here for the past like 2 months, so we're gonna put it to the test, see if we can cut. Alright, so I gotta come back here and do a little wee whipping around the grass to get all of it, but you can see easily cuts it all, no issues at all, goes right into the attachment. I mean, if you just need something to get the job done, if you got a little backyard like me, this is gonna be more than enough for you. And like I said, I've had it for a year, still working like a charm. Definitely recommend it.